Welcome to my channel. Today, what I'm gonna make it is using lemon succulent plant. For making succulent planter, first thing for what you need to prepare is obviously succulent. For me, I already prepared all the succulent like this. If you see, I already cut it off all the roots. For now, even though you cannot see any roots from the succulent, because I have been placed it in a dry area already for like 5 days, and as soon as I plant it, if I keep it dry for a few more days, I think it's gonna rooting out. So anyway, what you need to prepare is succulent first, some of the wood pieces. So first things first, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna measure all the wood and then cut and sand it. Then let's see. Finally, I measure everything and then make all the pieces like that. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna screw them up first and insert a mesh, and then gonna assemble with the leftover piece. Then let's try. I just made the line. The reason is because now inside I'm gonna put the mesh. But last time what I did was I was installing them first, and then when I tried to install the mesh, because of that it was really hard to put the screw in. So now I just like drawing the line, so which will let me know where do I need to screw in for the mesh, and then gonna insert them on top. Finally, it's almost finished. I made them one, the top and the bottom one. If I was making for planter box for the other plants, which is I'm gonna give water regularly, then obviously I would have put the silicone and waterproof. But this time I'm just making for the succulent. The succulent doesn't really need lots of water often, so I'm just not gonna seal it around, but instead I'm gonna use the paint, which also have a coating and paint. many damages, and with that I'm just gonna do all sanding and filling up with some materials and make it smooth and gonna paint. And now, all we need to do is painting it. I'm just gonna do this demo first, and then start to do painting with spray. Coating at the same time, so I'm just gonna spray this demo. Now I'm gonna start to do planting. Doing that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some soil first. Because of the mesh, it's not gonna be going inside properly, but like just gently trying to spreading it.